Here's something that most people misunderstand about dropshipping in 2026. The opportunity didn't disappear. What disappeared was the lazy version of it, the version where people randomly import hundreds of products, throw them onto a store, and hope that ads just magically make them profitable. That model's done, right? It's gone. But dropshipping done correctly with reliable suppliers, faster product testing, and organic content is still one of the simplest ways to start an online business. So in this video, instead of just talking about like drop shipping theory, I want to show you exactly how I would launch a product step by step using a platform called Doba. I've talked about this platform 3 or 4 times now on this channel already and showcased all the different things and nuances that you can do with it. I will try to drop 1 or 2 of those videos at the bottom of the description if you want to check them out as well after this. But we'll walk through in this video how to find products, how to then evaluate them, how to import them into your store, and how to even get product videos, yes, product videos that you didn't have to do yourself that you can use for places like TikTok, Instagram, etc. So if you're brand new or you just want a simpler system for testing products, this will give you a clear roadmap that you can use. Let's jump in. So this is Doba when you first sign in. It's essentially a dropshipping platform that connects your store with a large network of suppliers, all right? Instead of trying to contact suppliers individually and reaching out to them by yourself manually, manage specific spreadsheets, figure all the inventory and logistics out, again, manually, Doba instead centralizes everything into one place where you can easily access it, see it, and it's all systematized for you. So inside the platform, you can obviously browse thousands of different products, see supplier information, check shipping locations of those specific products, which obviously matters depending on where you're selling. It matters in general, but especially if you're selling on somewhere like TikTok Shop, where the shipping window where you have to get the actual product and tracking number out is a lot faster. Track inventory levels and import products directly into your store all from here. It's very easy to use. They make it super simple. And obviously, as you can see, the platform is very beginner friendly too. And they also integrate with platforms like Shopify, eBay, Amazon, and plenty of others. All right. So instead of manually building everything from scratch, this dramatically speeds up the testing process. And that is really the key advantage that you need today, right? Speed. Because the faster you can test products, the faster you can find something that actually works. So let me show you how I would actually start using this right now. The first place I usually start is the product search selection, right? So instead of searching for random individual items, I like to start with the categories. So for example, let's see home organization, kitchen tools, storage solutions, pet accessories, health and wellness. All of these are categories with consistent demand year round. So here inside Doba, you can obviously browse through the categories on the left and see immediately what products are specifically available for those specific categories. You can also apply filters to narrow everything down. So let's go to pets as an example here. On the side, you can filter specific things as you scroll. So you got the category, you got the subcategories, and as you scroll down, you can filter different specific sections, right? Restrictions on different places, ship from, so obviously the shipping location, stock availability, supplier ratings even, and specific price range. If you scroll up a little bit, you can set that as well, all right? And this is extremely useful because it eliminates a lot of the bad products that don't fit your specific store and your specific niche immediately, okay? And also the bad ones that aren't rated well, aren't, shipping within your time parameters, etc. So for example, if I know that I want faster shipping to US customers, I can filter for suppliers shipping specifically from the US, right? Ship from United States. Make sure that that's selected. Now that will filter out every single thing going forward that I'm looking for shipping, inside the United States. A no-brainer, super easy to use. Now, once you do find something interesting, you can click onto the product for more specific details, right? So let's say we want this dog backpack, I guess. Let's just try this one. You want to open the product listing, and this is where you want to slow down and then actually evaluate the product, all right? So inside each listing, you're typically going to see things like a product description, the cost price, a suggested retail price here, as the MSRP is about $29. That's very helpful as well. Shipping details, supplier information, inventory levels, etc. Now, right now, this one only has 8 in stock, so that's something you're going to want to pay attention to. Obviously, that kind of negates this as a product that you'd want to dropship long term. But just as an example to showcase a specific product, we're going to ignore that for a second, all right? So there are a few simple things to look for as you're kind of vetting these products. First, does the product solve a clear problem, right? That matters more than a lot of people realize. Second, does the margin actually make sense? Because you can find a great product, but if you can't sell it and actually acquire customers profitably, it doesn't really matter, right? If the product costs $10, it sells for $25 or $30, then that usually gives it enough room for profit. There's no specific rule set in place that you can obviously, adjust to everything unless you want to apply like a 3 times multiple. A lot of people will tell you that, but it just depends. Make sure there's enough margin. Obviously, account for platform fees wherever you're selling it, account for any shipping costs if that's not added. Obviously, it is here. And also keep margin built in. So if you decide to run ads later, that can obviously account for it. You can, shrink your margin a little bit, but also acquire a customer on autopilot with your ads. Also, I would check shipping times as well. That matters a ton. So as you can see, it's going to tell you the shipping warehouse, where it ships from, the United States, and estimated delivery 3 to 8 days. So this would be perfect for something like TikTok Shop, for example, because it's going to ship to my customers very fast and also fit that time parameter on TikTok Shop. That faster fulfillment is extremely important, not just on TikTok Shop, but especially everywhere today, especially if you're selling on platforms and marketplaces where your customers have real access to obviously message you very quickly. And it's not just like your own Shopify store. And that even still matters on Shopify as well, because as more and more customers get, used to the prime shipping that Amazon has, they realize that you're obviously not Amazon, but they expect their product a lot faster. All right. So you need to keep that in mind. And finally, I think about content. So could I make good short form videos that demonstrate this product? What would the angles be? Is it something where I can obviously make videos easily? And is there good product angles to showcase the problem that it solves or on the specific person, or in this case, a dog or whatever? If the answers to all those are yes and they fit, then the product's probably worth at least testing, all right? And if I decide that I want to try it, I can simply add it to my product list very easily. Just add to your inventory list, all right? Super simple. So once we obviously import it into our list, you can list it directly to your store as well if you're connected. One of the biggest advantages of a platform like Doba is how you can actually move through the product research to actually launching the product very quickly. So instead of manually copying images, descriptions, and supplier information, you can literally import the product directly into your store from here. You don't need to manually add the pictures, paste everything in there, copy the title, everything, etc. Right? So for example, if you're running a Shopify store already, just connect it to Doba and publish your products directly from the dashboard. This is going to save you an enormous amount of time. And the faster you can launch products, the faster you can start collecting real market feedback, because the truth is you don't need 50 products. You realistically don't even need 20 or 30 in most cases, especially when you're starting. Most successful beginner stores start with just like 3 to 10 products realistically. And the goal here is clarity and testing, not a massive catalog. You're not Amazon. Keep that in mind. Now, one of the features that I actually think is very underrated is the video hub. So if we scroll up here, you can see there's a bunch of other ways to actually search for products: high profit, new arrivals, top ranking, and a number of other things. TikTok Shop selection. So all the products that fit specifically for TikTok Shop are already in there. I love that feature as well. But one of the most underrated features here is the video hub right here. So you click video hub, and this is going to blow you away, all right? So if you're planning to promote products using short form content, which you will, regardless of whether you're doing it organically on specific sites or you're running it as ads in the future, which is one of the best strategies, obviously, right now, both of those, you need product videos. It's that simple, all right? A simple, Facebook picture ad is not going to convert anymore. It just doesn't work. And filming everything yourself can take a lot of time, or it can take a lot of money if you're outsourcing that. But inside the video hub here, Doba provides ready-made product videos from your suppliers already. These videos can literally give you a huge head start when creating content. You can use them for the foundation of your TikTok Shop videos, your TikTok affiliate videos even, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, Facebook videos for ads, you name it, all right? So for example, you might take a product video. Let's find one really fast as we scroll down here.
If you've ever spent hours scrolling TikTok trying...
This one right here looks like it's a foot bath or a foot massager. You can download the video straight from here, or you can even add it to your Shopify store if you're connected right from the video hub. So you don't need to actually go into products. You can go see what actual products have videos already, and you can even search this as well, and then really just go right from there, right? This one looks like it's a garden hose. I actually have that garden hose. I bought it off Amazon previously. This one's like for a bike. That's probably something that's, relevant on TikTok Shop. This one looks like it's a organic fertilizer bag. This one's a rechargeable remote control fan. that sticks places. But let's go with this one as an example. This one probably showcases the product really well. You didn't have to record anything yourself. And as you can see, you can utilize this for different nuances and variations of an organic video, or you can even run this potentially as an ad, right? You can add your own voiceover explaining the problem that it specifically solves, add different captions, different hooks, and make 20 different variations of it and run them all. You could re-edit it, add different sections and different points. You could add captions, hooks, you name it. And suddenly you have a scroll stopping video and multiple versions of that scroll stopping video without ever needing to full film a setup, outsource it, order the products yourself, wait 2 weeks for it to get, like, none of that, right? This alone is mind-blowing. It's going to dramatically speed up content production for you and allow you to test products so much faster. And since organic content is such a big traffic source today, that is a huge, huge advantage, all right? So that's the Video Hub. Also want to talk about the AI Picker, which I think is super helpful as well. So if you just scroll back up, play around with this Video Hub, though, it's mind-blowing. The AI Picker is also new. This tool is going to analyze product trends and platform data to, suggest recommended products with high potential, all right? And as you can see, it really delivers. So instead of randomly browsing thousands of listings manually yourself, this is going to give you curated selections, and this can be especially helpful if you're brand new and you're still developing your instincts for product selection, all right? You can think of this as like a starting point. If you want to evaluate products logically, that's fine. You can still do that, but tools like this will help you surface ideas that you might not have considered, and that's extremely helpful, all right? So you can click into here and kind of play around with it. I'd recommend that you do. You can see rising stars and go to there, select those, and it will literally show you why. And again, just like everything and the ease of this website, you can literally just add this into your product category and your inventory list directly from here, all right? Now, the final piece of the puzzle is going to be fulfillment, all right? So once you make the sale, you've obviously accomplished, your first goal. Now you want to scale it, right? But the supplier is, really going to matter a ton, right? The supplier is going to handle the shipping and the product logistics to that customer, right? And obviously every supplier on here is vetted already, and you're going to know exactly what the estimated time frame is, but Doba is going to help manage that entire process for you, all right? So it's not just a product selection place that connects you with suppliers. You can then connect this in, and they can handle everything automatically for you. So the order tracking, the inventory updates on your Shopify store or your marketplace as well, the supplier communication, all transparently handled through here, which is super important as you scale. It's going to obviously be the middleman that's going to help connect you to suppliers, but then they take care of everything for you. So you're not constantly in your orders inputting tracking manually, which is a complete headache. Not to mention you mess things up. I've made so many other videos about like the headache that is. So any supplier platform, any website where you can source products, instantly obviously see what products are successful and trending and have shipping parameters that fit your actual, stipulations wherever that you're selling. Also suggests different products that are hot, also gives you videos to literally run as ads, and on top of that, automates fulfillment and tracking and everything like that, is a no-brainer for me. I can't say enough about it, all right? And because the transparency here is extremely important as you scale, a platform like this, especially when you start, is going to build that runway to allow you to scale. Because if you start everything manually, that can work, but eventually you're going to hit a bottleneck that's you or your supplier or something along the lines, and you're going to have to start fresh anyway. I've made that mistake so many times. Reliable fulfillment reduces customer complaints, cancellations, and platform issues, and obviously reduces the load on you as a person or a business, so you're not the bottleneck and you can focus on other things like finding hot products or adding new products to your catalog or testing other features or looking to new horizons or what your competitors are doing that you might not have thought of, right? And long term, obviously reliability matters much more than squeezing out a few extra dollars of margin, but obviously you can see that a lot of these products, like we covered with like the 2.5 or 3x multiple, have that multiple built in already, all right? So I definitely recommend testing this platform. Dropshipping today is not about shortcuts. It is about systems and good sites, good suppliers, and good systems. Finding products faster, testing them faster. That's crucial. Speed is everything. And focusing your energy on traffic and conversion instead of logistics or any of this back-end stuff that you don't have to do anymore, all right? Platforms like Doba help you remove a lot of the friction that normally slow beginners down. So instead of spending weeks trying to piece together suppliers and spreadsheets and importing tracking numbers and all that other stuff, you can focus on what actually moves the needle for your business and actually puts money in your pocket, launching and testing new products, but now with immense speed with things like the Video Hub, the AI Picker, and a number of other things, all right? So if you want to try Doba for yourself, I will leave that link in the description below. And if you're serious about building a dropshipping business in 2026, the most important thing that you can do is start testing, but testing with a good supplier and a good website. This one is one of the best that I've come across because I've come to realize that people who win in this business, e-commerce, but especially dropshipping, aren't the ones who wait for that perfect product to just fall in their lap. They're the ones who launch, learn, adjust, and then keep going. So that's really the blueprint that allows you to do it. And obviously Doba is the partner that's going to help you do that as well. Really hope it helps.